Hello, Yearbook. Welcome to 2023. I'm Kim Trezona, and I'm your Jostens rep that will be working with you on your yearbook for the whole year. My team is made up of Sarah and Lauren, and together the three of us will make sure all your needs are met. I can't wait to get started, to see all of you, hear about your themes, and develop your cover ideas. It's going to be a great year.
Yearbook advisors. This one is just for you. We want to be able to come to your classroom to visit, but we need to know when and where we can find you. Please fill out the Google form that's come to you via email from Kim, because if you do this for us, then we can do this for you. In only 3 short weeks, we will be hosting 2 yearbook workshops. The first is September the 12th and is for new or newish advisors. This is free for those of you looking to learn how to be a new yearbook advisor or for those of you who just want to brush up on your advising skills. The second is September 13th. This one is for both advisors and their staffs. There's no cost for advisors and yearbook staffers are only $10 each. We are providing lunch to you all, so come ready to learn and plan and get to work. It's going to be a great day. You'll find all the need-to-know info for both of these workshops on the invite, which has been emailed to you. Feel free to join us even if you already came this summer. We still would love to see you. Email Sarah with any questions or to RSVP.
Hi Yearbookers, my name is Sarah. I've been working with Kim for the last 7 years, and for several years before that, I was a yearbook advisor. And one thing that I have learned through all of those years is that if you read the tip of the week, you'll stay on top of things. We've always given this to you in printable form and in email form. But this year, just to change a few things up, we're going to be adding some video. I would suggest that you schedule a time every Monday to watch the video and read through the tip of the week with your staff. I promise you, it'll make your year a little bit better. Our students are on social media. Our parents are on social media. We need to be there too. Jostens, North Carolina is on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and new this year, we're trying TikTok because we want to meet you guys where you are. And we want to do the same thing for parents. So make sure you're setting up social media platforms that are run by students but approved by advisors for your yearbook staff. We have a wonderful program called Jostens Social that makes this easy and manageable. I'm going to pop a video right up here where you can click at the end and check it out. See what you think. Let us know if you want us to get you up and running.